For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
DCGI gives nod to another potential COVID-19 vaccine in the country. Ahmedabad-based Zydus Cadila has developed another indigenous COVID-19 vaccine. Further, the company will start its human trial for the vaccine soon. As per the Health Ministry, the company has got permission to conduct Phase 1 and Phase 2 clinical trials for COVID-19 vaccine. Reportedly, the approval was fast-tracked following the guidance by the Subject Expert Committee.
DCGI Dr. V.G. Somani has given approval for the Phase 1 and 2 clinical trials on humans of the potential novel coronavirus vaccine developed by Zydus Cadila Healthcare Limited after its animal studies were found to be successful.
The approval for the human trials was given to the company after they submitted data of the clinical trials on animals to the Drug Controller General of India. As per DCGI, the company was successful in conducting experiments regarding safety and immunogenicity. The company is likely to start enrolling the subjects soon. Reportedly, the Phase 1 and Phase 2 might get delayed and will take around 3 months to complete. India has 2 indigenous COVID-19 vaccines in the country so far. Recently, DCGI had permitted Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech to develop its COVID-19 vaccine. The company has also partnered with ICMR to conduct Phase 1 and Phase 2 human clinical trials. Bharat Biotech is developing COVID-19 vaccine with the name Covaxin. The company is using a virus strain isolated at ICMR's National Institute of Virology to develop the vaccine. The vaccine developed by biotech company will be launched by August 15, 2020. Reportedly, India is one of the leading manufacturers of vaccines and generic medicines. As of now, around 18 vaccines are being tested on humans across the world. Reportedly, the government has stated that around 30 groups are working on the vaccine. Similarly, one of the firms in Britain has already started trials of a drug developed by the researchers at Oxford University. Recently, World Health Organization stated that AstraZeneca is one of the leading candidates in developing COVID-19 vaccines. As per the latest data released by the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the confirmed cases in India have crossed the 6.25 lakh mark. The number of people who have been discharged stands at over 3,79,891 and the death toll in India has risen to 18,213.